Hi all, I'm live and this is Wednesday. Last week we had a very bad internet problem and I had to play my same video again. So I'm sorry that you had that problem, but hopefully today everything will run smoothly. I checked out the internet connection, I checked out nothing is going to disturb us today. So before I start, I'm wondering, why are you here? Why are you looking at this video, the live that I'm doing today? Now let's say you all want to start your affiliate marketing business. Just like me, I started 5 years ago and I looked at every possibility. I tried a lot of things. But today I'm going to talk to you about the Partner with Anthony program. I made some notes. I have some notes that I can explain to you what is the plan going ahead and how will we make money in an easy, simple way, an understandable way that you will make money online. So first, I was just thinking back in the history. If I have to look at, let's see, I wrote it here, and it reminds me of the Industrial Revolution in the 1700s, and that is very, very long ago. But if you did not turn over to machines, you were out of business, and people were complaining and thought the machines will take the people's workplace, and there will be no work left. Now today, in the internet, it's doing the same thing. If you do not go online, and if you do not have a business, and you do not promote online, you're out of business. Especially with the pandemic and everything going on. We have to learn to be online and sell products online. So let's look at Partner with Anthony and if it's worth it. I think you all know that I'm part of Partner with Anthony. So let's see. I started Partner with Anthony maybe, I think 3 years ago. I'm not a millionaire yet, but getting there. But I would recommend you to try Partner with Anthony. Any reason, this opportunity is there for you. We never had this opportunity of having somebody explaining to us the program and the tools that you need for affiliate marketing in such a simple way. While you were sleeping, while you're on vacation, you can still make money. So, if I must say, $7 for 30 sessions of Partner with Anthony is nothing. If I think how much I've spent on all these other programs out there, we're in the digital economic and we have to learn to work online. So let's try the $7 for 30 sessions. I paid my $7 years ago and I went through this 30 sessions and I can tell you it's worthwhile. The tools that you need is not very expensive. It's $20, $30, maybe $40. But also make sure before you buy, you make sure you really will use it or you will need it. You don't need all these additional tools. If I look at what people were telling me, buy this, get this, do this, every time there's something new on the market, and this will be best. This will be doing much more for your business. Doesn't work. It doesn't work. I've been through all this, spent lots of my money buying shiny objects. We call it shiny objects. So what I like about the Partner with Anthony program, he tells you in a very simple way, understandable way, how to use the tools that he is promoting. And you will understand step by step. You're never overloaded with information. In these sessions, he has 30 sessions as I mentioned, with a few modules in each. but you have 1 day to prepare and go through one session. Then he's blocked it for 24 hours that you can make sure you understand and you know the foundation before you move on to the second session. Now the other thing, if I drive traffic to my affiliate products, I want to be paid over and over again. I don't want to drive traffic and just get one payment and that's it. It doesn't work. I want to sell something to somebody that they can use, and there must be upsells and products that they can continuously buy to support them and to grow their business. And this is what I like about Partner with Anthony's products. If I go through Partner with Anthony's products, he will help you and he tells you, listen, you know how to use the autoresponder, you know how to use ClickFunnels, you know the link tracking, and these things you can now go out and sell anybody's product. You search for a product that you like and that you believe in, and you can use his principles in any product that you're selling. So you don't have to stick just to him. What I like about Partner with Anthony, he gives you the principles. Once you have the foundation, you can do anything and you can sell any product. If you've been in the business for a while, I highly recommend Partner with Anthony program. Or if you just a beginner and you really wonder, is affiliate marketing for you? Try Partner with Anthony. $7 is not much to pay. After $7 and the 30 sessions, you will see what I'm talking about. This is the best program that I've done, and I've been through a lot of different affiliate marketing programs. Some cost $900, quite a lot, you would say. So why not take the chance and pay the $7 and sign up for Partner with Anthony. I will be there to support you, and I'm also planning on how we're going to work together as a team to make sure that we all make money online. As I told you, the digital times is here. We have to work online if you need a second income. I need a second income. I'm already at retirement age. I don't want you to wait as long as I did before I really started with my online business. So guys, this is my little story for this Wednesday to say, let's try, work together, use Partner with Anthony, learn the principles, and let's go out and promote products. As you know, affiliate marketing, you don't need products, you don't need money, you need the principles to understand what to do. And this is what Partner with Anthony will teach you. So from my side today, this is my story. I'll see you in my next video.